and the handheld phone angle captures dust rising around its big blade. Fresh material is spread smoothly, while trucks apply hot mix to the paver. And workers in safety wear guide each section with calm control. This steady work helps create a strong road surface used for fast travel and long-lasting transport needs. A smooth base layer across the roadside. Fresh mix settles evenly, while heat rises gently from the dark surface. A larger paver follows with calm force, feeding hot asphalt through its metal deck and forming a clean path ahead. Workers guide every pass with safe control, creating a firm roadway built for long travel comfort and reliable daily use. And pulls it down with steady pressure. The phone shot angle captures the rusty surface, breaking free while the clamp keeps constant hold. The drum drops onto the ground, where the remaining concrete is shaken out. This process clears the mixer for recycling, helping recover metal parts and preparing the area for safer work use. While the handheld phone angle captures every steady shift on the muddy hillside. The long straps tighten as the slab lowers into position, showing how heavy tools make land work smoother and safer, supporting transport tasks, and helping crews move oversized materials with control and confidence.